Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In this video I show you how to power off or restart Samsung Galaxy A55. Pressing the power button will open Google Assistant. To turn off the phone you must press the power button and volume down simultaneously for 3 seconds. Another way to turn off the phone is to pull down the notification bar twice and you will find the turn off button at the upper right. You can change the function of the power button to turn off the phone. Tap on the side button settings and tap on the power off menu. Now the side button will act as the power off button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.